Okie dokie. Okay. So, how the fuck do I make a game? Yo, yes. Okay. Learning to uh uh hey Flarp. What should we call the so will this be the first product that we make on we start? What do you think we should call it? Yes, how to game? How to game. I was also thinking, can talk now, making pizza? Fuck yeah, pizza's good. I was also thinking something along the lines of suck it pirate software or something like that. So there's that. Also, fuck, I just realized I didn't have my model up. God damn it. I am sorry. Alright. Whoops. That was intentional? No. No, it was not intentional at all. Down, move that over there. Like so. Okay, and then also, I'm kind of last minute doing things. For instance, I gotta pop out chat for Twitch chat, which again we're one. We're one. Let me answer this. Alt F4, you get the AI helper. Yeah, it's, AI helper is called a fucking gun to my head. I need to put this somewhere. I'll put that over right there. Did I ever tell you about the time I convinced a kid on Minecraft to crash his game intentionally? Oh god, this was years and years and years ago. Yeah, I used to be a big fan of the fuck, what was it called? I used to be, what is it called? There was a very popular server, one of like the largest ones. It's messed up, kinda. Oh no, it was hilarious. At least I think it was a kid. One of the popular Minecraft servers was a Hightail. Minecraft server. Hypixel, that's it. Hypixel. Hypixel. Fucking hell, yeah. It's still running? I guess it is. Anyway, I used to play a lot on Hypixel. And Why don't you use Scratch first? It will help a lot, literally. Yeah, but that sounds like coding. I don't want to do coding. Meh. It sounds like coding. Meh. Compatibility. That's a lot of words. Oh, what platforms? I don't care about that. I just want computer. Anyway, project name is going to be Unsoftwares Your Pirate. Okay. Oh. Okay, here we go. Would you even make a game without coding? What the fuck? No, I want to make a game while doing as little coding as possible. But I'll figure out as I go, basically. So anyway, going back to the story about Minecraft, he enjoys a bit of suffering. I'm just stupid, is what it is. I'm just stupid, and I don't have a brain for coding at all. Anyway, I was playing the Quake game mode, which I greatly enjoyed on Hypixel, and we were in the pre-game lobby, and it was like 2 of us, maybe 3, and I messaged the person, and I was like, hey, you want to see something really cool? Oh shit, hold on. Project Manager. The actual project. Pirates your software. I was like, hey, you know what's really funny? Press Control, Alt, and F3. I think it was F3. Whatever the combination was that would intentionally crash your game, and hold it for 15 seconds. And about 15 seconds later, I saw a message that said the player had left the lobby. But I thought that was very funny. Okay. Evil funny? Oh, whatever. I got a person to crash their game intentionally. What happens? Oh, they had to restart their Minecraft game? Find the category? Yeah, I didn't even try on YouTube. I just put this as entertainment. Okay. So we're going to try, and I think make Stalker but skeletons. Fuck, that would actually be really cool. That actually be really cool. Category, yes. I kind of do want to make Stalker but like skeletons. Damn. Anyway, let me, what's script? Thing? 2D. Oh, okay. 2D scene. It's a node. There's nothing there at the moment. Script empty. Metadata. Bool. Float integer. ABB array basic color dictionary. Node path. That's lane. Quaternion. Do you have any idea what you're doing? Resource. No. I have no fucking clue. This is legitimately the first time I've even touched Godot, let alone a game engine. The closest I ever got was the Warcraft 3 map editor. That's the closest I've ever gotten to something like this. See how good of an editor I am? Yep, you haven't... I actually haven't checked Twitch at all yet. Let me see what you're doing. Hold on. Trying to make a game for the first time. Okay, yeah, you did do a good job. Thank you. Thank you. It would nice, to see a Quasimorph stream. Oh, I did Quasimorph once, and that was a lot of fun. But it's kind of a really intense game to play if you're not paying attention. So, haven't crashed the stream, not once for now. Keep it that way. Okay, so I think you go ahead and save this real quickly. There's nothing there to be saved on. Let me see. Signal. Oh, it's so fucking hard to find the category. Would you put as a category? Software gaming development. Oh, okay, okay. I had to look at I had to search the coding category on Google. Vector groups. Position. Okay, okay. Import. Node, canvas item, transform, visibility. Huh. Alright. Hey, Grok. Can I ask you a question? How do I add an item? Grok, make a game. No. Grok, twist his balls. Grok, no. How do I add an object? Objects in Godot. Objects are nodes and their children. Okay. Scene tree. What's scene tree? Scene tree. What? Create new scene. Oh, I see. Okay, so that's this. That's this right here. Huh. Parent node root. So that's this one. We'll call this objects 1. I don't know. Click the plus or add a child. Oh, I see. Scene. So you click this. Oh, I see. What was that? What was what? A 2D node. Ah, I see. Okay, okay. Mesh instance. Okay. I understand. Bone 2D. Particle animation. Collision polygon 2D. Huh. Winnie apparently. Possibly. She's BGM? Is it more horsey game? It is. I'm gonna download it actually. Fucking trying. I'll set that on the loop. And then we're going to go ahead and turn off the Skyrim music. Correction, we're going to turn it down really low. There we go. This BGM plus heart spinning feels like son of a fever dream. There we go. I think it's good enough. Okay. So Hmm. So a collision polygon, collision shape. A node that... I want this to be more... Huh. Full horse combo? Yes. I know that divides polygon shape the collision object 2D parent allows edited. Polygon can copy from give a direction shape area 2D, turn physics body into a solid object, or give a hollow shaped static body 2D. Non-defined scaling function is likely to not behave as expected. Okay, so a node that provides a polygon shape to a collision object's parent. Okay. What's a collision object? So a collision object, base of a 2D physical object, collision object 2D can hold any number of 2D shapes for collision. Each shape must be assigned to the shape owner. Shape owners are not nodes and do not appear in the editor, but are accessible through the code using the shape owner methods. Note only collisions between objects with the same canvas, viewpoints, canvas, and canvas layers. Supported this behavior, collisions are between objects in different canvases is undefined. I was thinking about doing a server. Do more like just watching. Oh yeah, she was doing a what you call it? Discord version of yeah, Krunker. Discord version of Counter-Strike, which is blatantly pay to win. There's more Chosen Hoisted Game songs if you want some. Sure. No, whatever. Okay. Properties. Layer, mask, or float, priority, disable mode, bool. Hey, we go to Godotn? Yes. I talked with Sean about it. He's on board with it. And is very busy at the moment. Apparently, did you know that he got a job, a full-time job, which is really great actually. I'm glad for him. Finally, he deserves it after all the pain in the ass he went through. Anyway, so I'm just learning how to do stuff because I have no idea how to do stuff. So, good for him. In this damn economy, I know. Like, I wish I could, like, for as much as this is going to drive me crazy, I wish I could just, like, quit my job and do this full time. But at the same time, it's like, in this economy, I couldn't. Okay. Properties, some methods. Inputs, event, viewpoint, event, input, shape index, integer, virtual. I feel like I'm watching 5 to 8 hours of YouTube course to know how to use this thing. I think I'll be happy with being able to create an object that's in like that exists in the world. So I'm going to create a collision object, collision shape creates. Okay, that's just the points. Yeah, the economy is fucked. Yeah. Oh, add no here. Okay, so that's what right click does. Output, audio, animation, shader editor. Collision shape is pretty useless without other nodes. Let's see what this button does. Okay, collision shape only serves to provide collision shape to a collision object 2D derived mode. Please only use a child area static body to give them shape. A shape must provide collision function. Please create the shape to sort. Okay, so Okay, okay. So right click, we can, oh, okay. 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 Control. What does control do? Oh. Okay. Light. I don't need the light. Because when an object immediately crashes, or we're not there yet. We're not there yet. So if you create a physics object, it will require collision shape to work. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't know what to do there specifically, so let me open up the script. History. Well, signals. Script, here we go. For node 2, the object number 1. New scripts. Object 1 inherits node 2D. Path script must be valid. We'll create a new script value. Okay. Godot documentation. Built-in script. Well, I'll keep it off for the moment. Will, you should do it. Yeah, you're right. Let's see. Documentation. Introduction. Before you start. Okay, I actually dig this music quite a lot, actually. It's called First 2D Game. Oh, okay. Getting started. First 2D game. Okay. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. In this step-by-step tutorial series, you will create a first 2D object with Godot. By the end of the series, you will have a simple yet game of your own. I already ate the pizza. Oh, right, how could you? You already eaten all of the pizza. Okay, you learn how to use, hold on. I need to turn off the notifications. It's going to drive me crazy. I'm going to pause this for a second. Think. Oh, so yeah, what kind of pizza? He first needs to figure out how to add a cube to here. Yes, that's what I was thinking how to do. Okay. Alright, okay, well, that's fine. I'm glad you asked Sleepy on Twitch. Oh, that's Sleepy. He's Sleepy's the one who made my model, my 3D model. He's a really great like 3D artist. He's the entire reason why I have a 3D model to begin with that actually works, is because of Sausage. Nice, Sausage is good. Is because of him. I like this one a lot. Which maybe do it? Standard Italian sausage? Okay. Totino's pizza. I actually really like this one. The pitch maybe do it. I had some 4 cheese pizza. Finished up with a banana pizza. I hate you for making me think about banana pizza. Why? How dare you? All of a sudden rejecting from game files? Nice. So they should loop perfectly, basically. Shame? Yes. Thank you! Thank you, Sleepy. You understand. Also, fuck you, Light. Fuck you. Basin... Oh, Basin Pizza. Oh, Basin Piz. Fuck you. Yeah, that's right. This is the reason why you should have lowered the difficulty. Yeah. Fuck you. I said it. Yeah. You bastard. Yes. Fuck you. Okay, I want to add a... I want to make a... for music. For... Horsey... Game... BGM. And I'm gonna... Downloads... X... B... There we go. And we will listen to all of these, minus the 10-minute one, on loop. Randomize and loop them. I'm going to saw off your tongue, Light Darkness. Yeah, fuck you. You made me think about banana pizza. 4 cheese is okay, but honestly not that great. Okay. Project is introduced God in this means you have programming experience already. If you need to program entirely, you should start the scripting languages. I understand how scripting languages work, so I'm going to skip that. I'll just learn as I go because I already have an inclination of how that works. Anyway, the game is called Dodge the Creeps. Character must move to avoid as long as possible. Want to create a 2D game with good editor, structure a simple game project, move the player and change its sprites, random spawn enemies, count score, and more. You'll find another series where you can create a similar game but in 3D, and we recommend you start with this window, Y in 2D. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Source code, prerequisites, step-by-step tutorial you intend to be step-by-step. Experience with it, you can find complete demos, source code here. We prepared some game assets you'll need to download. You can straighten the code. You can download them here at that. Okay. Okay, setting up the project. Already did that. GD script. You need to choose a valid project path. I'll leave other defaults alone. Okay, I already did that. Archives. The archive contains the image and sounds you'll be using for the make the game. Extract the archive and move the art and fonts directories to your project's directory. Okay. So let me open the files real quickly. By the way, you should add download extensions sometimes. Maybe I'll consider it. So downloads, and then unpirate your software. There we go. Okay, so got to go imported editor. Okay, so it's my directory. I assume that's this. Yeah, I'll move that there and extract. Extract. Here. Close. I'll move this back just for keeping things clean. Okay. Next is move the art directories to your project's directory. Oh, README. Tutorial is yeah, whatever. Did you close the Big Booty Bitches? You used the code in Big Booty Bitches? No, I did not. Okay, so now I've done that. You and you. Font art. icon. Unpirates. Unsoftware is your pirate. Okay. So I can close that one now. Nice. Art, fonts. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what it looks like. In that case, I guess I can just delete this. Okay. The game is designed in portrait mode, so you need to adjust the size of the game window. Project size. Okay, so we're gonna go project settings. Configuration. No. Window. There we go. 480 by 720. Oh god, that's... 480. You know what? I have an idea. I'm gonna change some stuff around. We're gonna move this over here. We're gonna change some stuff so that y'all can actually see what I'm doing. Yes. So, is there anything else? No, there's not. Okay. So what I'll do is, rather than just showing the window, I'll do my entire what you call it, the entire screen. Moving swiftly from the banana pizza, recently tried a bacon shred pizza. Let's move back to it. Shut up. Display capture, here we go. Yeah. This one. Okay, and then we'll move that to the very bottom. Perfect. Okay, that works. I'll hide that for right now. Okay. So now you can see my entire thing. So when I do something like this, you can actually see what it is, basically. Brazilian sweet pizza. Oh, speaking of that, gotta say, that ain't for me. I tried a Korean barbecue style pizza, and it was very good. It has sweet barbecue sauce on it. Okay, so we'll do 680 by 720. Windowed, yeah. There's a revolt against light darkness for thinking sliced fruit goes on pizza. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Actually, just keep that. I can actually keep everything the same except for this. I can move this out and expand it a little bit. Okay. Okay. All the music is literally the game. What would happen if you just ran around in Horsey Game? Yeah. Okay. Also, under action options, canvas keep aspect to keep. Okay. Aspect keep, stretch mode to canvas? Canvas type, okay. I'll throw a banana pizza at you, light darkness. Did you have to quote yourself because, YouTube thought it was hate speech or something like that? Okay. Fuck you, YouTube. Yeah, exactly. Only thing I would consider hate speech is banana pizza. Okay, I cannot stand switching back and forth between music. I am losing my mind. we're going to go to just this right now. Yep. And we'll just listen to this. Okay. So what does that do? Okay, so disabled, no stretching happens until one unit in the scene corresponds to 1 pixel in the screen. Display mode, switch up aspect has no effects, recommended for non-game applications. Okay. Like that time YouTube thought I was being racist towards myself or some shit? Yeah. Canvas items. Shit. Are they still playing? God damn. There we go. The base size specific with the width of the project cover the whole screen, taking aspect into account, which means that everything is rendered directly into target calculation. 3D is unaffected, while 2D there is no longer a one-to-one corresponding between the sprite pixels and screen pixels, which may result in scaling artifacts. Recommended for most games that don't use pixel art aesthetics, although it is possible to use stretch mode for pixel art games too, especially in 3D. Viewport. The size of the root viewport is set precisely to the base size specified in the engine. The scene is rendered to the viewport first. Finally, the viewport is scaled to fit the screen to recommended for games that use camera aesthetically. Huh. Okay, and then aspects. Ignore aspect ratio is when stretched to stream, which means the original resolution will be stretched exactly to fit the screen, even if it is wider or narrow. Okay, so that's, yeah. Keep aspect ratio, yep, keep width, keep height. Expand. Okay, I think I get that. So close. Organizing project. In this project, we will make 3 independent scenes: player, mob, and HUD. I haven't said a thing. Okay. A large project that might be useful to create folders for scenes, scripts, or just more game folder to find. Okay. Okay, I see it right here. Creating scene player. With the project setting in place, we can start working on the player, control player. The first scene will define the player object. One of the benefits of creating a separate player scene is to contest separately. First game. Node structure. To begin, we need to choose a root node for the player object. As a general rule, a scene's root node should reflect the object's desired functionality. Object is in the upper left corner. What the object is. In the upper left corner of the screen, scene can other nodes, add an area 2D node to the scene. So let me delete that, and then 2D. Wait, can I just... Control Y. Area 2D, okay. Ah, I see. Okay, okay. Which of this banks collection objects 2D entering or exiting it, area, okay. Ah, okay, I see. Okay. Got it. Okay. Provides character to body 2D node, specifically for design to run for 2D characters, which includes built-in support for some of the process explained in this tutorial. In many real-world projects, character ability would be the better choice for players who want for players and enemies. However, this tutorial's goal concepts a wide range of nodes and cases. Okay. When you add an area 2D node, the node will display the following warning text. Yeah. This tells us there's the area shape to detect collisions and overlaps, or temporarily because the first step of players' visuals using the animated sprites. Once the visuals are ready, we will add collision shaped as a child node. This will allow us to accurately size and proportion the shape of a sprite. Okay. So we need to add a wait, no, I've already done that. Alright, cancel that. Ooh. Okay. With Area 2D, that's right here, detect objects. Change the node's name to player. Sure, that works. Player. Cause he cool like that. Okay. Before we add any children to the player node, we want to make sure that we don't accidentally move or resize them by clicking on them. Select the nodes and click the icon on the right of the lock. So this and then this. This locking. Oh, it's locked now. Okay. What's this? Group select node. The area node's name, the book of yeah. Before we added the children player, okay. Tooltip says groups the selected nodes and its children, causes the parent and selected child. Oh, I don't want to lock that then, wait. So group these together. Yeah, okay. Seen as player, cause he cool like that. Dot ESCN. Okay. For this project, the following video naming conventions. Excuse me. Classes nodes use partial case, variables and functions. Text screen. Text scene. Okay. Text scene. Use partial case variables, functions, use snake case, and contextuals use all caps. Huh. Basically a text file. Got it. C# classes, export variables, methods, partial case, private fields use camel case, local variables and parameters use camel case. Be careful. The type method named precisely when correcting signals. Okay. Animation. Naming conventions. Okay. Player. Control A. That's an add. Okay. I can do that with just clicking the plus button as well, but that works. Windows Linux command. Yeah. On OS. Child node animation sprites. That's gonna be easy. Animated sprites. Create that. Animated Sprite 2D will handle the appearance and animations of our player. Notice how the warning symbol, requires sprite frames. I get that. A resource, which is a list of animations can display. Make sure animation is selected, and then sprite frame properties under animation section. Animation section. Animation. Sprite frames. Here we go. So we'll open up a file, and we'll do art, enemy, yeah. Okay. Okay. Sprite frames. Select these sprite frames. Find new. Empty new sprite frame. We'll add that. Default. Okay. So like that. Huh. Okay. Click on the sprite frames created. Sprite frame. Oh, okay, I see it. Defaults. So can I for okay, I can't do that. Okay, so new animation? No. Control Z. Let's see. Okay. Left panel on the left of the animation, click default and rename it to walk. Like and I spell Egyptian. Egyptian? Shin. The Egyptian. There we go. Walk like an Egyptian. I think I spell Egyptian. I don't care. Then click add it. Oh, it's down here. Okay, I see. On the left is the list of animations. Click on the default one, rename it to walk, add animation, button, create a second animation named up. Turn up. Let's call it up. Specifically, I'll do it lowercase. Find the player images in the file system doc. They're in art, folder, unzip earlier, drag two animations, the animation frames panel, corresponding image. Oh, I see. Okay. So for walk, I take these two and put them over here. Look at that little bastard. And then for up, we'll do this. Okay. Where images are a bit too large for the window, so we need to scale them down. Click on the animation sprite node, set the scale to 0.5.5. Wait, what? Scale. Okay. Looks like a chill dude. Yeah, I guess so. It's shops are the intrusive thoughts in our heads. It's too smart looking to be the intrusive thoughts in my head, I'll tell you that much. Okay, let me rename this to walk. Normal. go. Sprite animation. Okay, add a collision shape. Oh, okay. To this one. So we'll Control A. I know how to do that. Collision shape 2D creates. Collision. Yeah. For this one, we'll do. I've got a feeling that's what they're going to do. Yeah, I see. Okay. Capsule shape. Transform. Okay. Okay. Player. I guess I can. Okay. 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 Player different hitbox. Yes, I understand how hitboxes works. Capsule shape. Yeah. Gets the best fit. Shape vector. Using. Two size handles for size. Yeah, yeah. And your finished player seems to look like. Oh. Let me move it to that, like there. There we go. Okay. When done, the warning in Area 2D would disappear. Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay. Child player, just drag it. The child player, yeah. I figured that out. It told me. I didn't figure it out. It told me. And you told me as well. Once this is done, warning will disappear, shape will assign object. Okay. Make sure to save the scene. Okay, yeah, it's a good idea. George, yes, I know. That is both the thing that we are currently dealing with and my mental ability to comprehend again this stuff. Let's change this next part, player node, animate it. Okay. Coding the player. Okay. Plan movement. Yeah, I don't care about that. To do so, we need to add a function inbuilt node. So add the script click player and add scripts. Player scripts. I shouldn't. Well, I can just name it player. GD. It stands for Godot. New script, adherence 2D, yes. Default, yeah. Default alone, yeah. If you're creating C# scripts or other languages, select the language drop-down menu before you create. Okay. Language, okay. Is it for someone using computing the script language before continuing? No. By declaring the member variables, this object will need since area 2D. Okay, so create scene for the first time function. Okay. Is that a threat? Maybe. Okay. So extends. So, area extends. Oop. Control Z. Extends area 2D. That's what I moved. So at export variable speed is equal to 400. And I guess this turns it into a text part of it. Okay, that's how that works. Layer speed. Pixels per second. Okay, yeah. Pixel per second. And then we'll do variable screen underscored size. Okay. Okay. Using the export keyword is the first variable speed allows us to set up the value of in the inspector. This can be handy for values that you want to be able to adjust, like the node's built-in properties. Click on the player node and you'll see a property. Here's the inspector, new section, player. Where is that? Oh, here we go. Maybe using this. Okay. Player node and see properties now appear in the inspector. The inspector. Speed. Okay, I see. Okay, I see it. Monitoring, gravity, disabled, linear damp, angular damp, audio bus. Okay. Okay, I understand now. There's a clanker in chat. Gallic, destroy the clanker. Okay, inspector. Yeah, I see that. Your GD script should be nice. Well done. Your player.gd script should be already contain a ready in process. Yes. Function. If you didn't select the default function of the flow, these functions will show anything. The function called the node enters a scene tree, which is good time to find the size of the game window. Function/ready. Let me take out void. Like so. And then rather than pass, I'll put ready screen size. We already have that. Is equal to get viewpoint reacts. There's a clanker in check. Release the Galax. Dirty wireback, yes. Yeah, dirty bolt picker, clanker, wireback, copper face, tin head. Oh, no, not Grok though. Grok is okay. Grok is pretty cool. We like Mecha Hitler around here. Okay, so that gets this gets the method returns to nodes viewpoint boundaries from React 2. See also node get viewpoint. Okay, so that pulls. I can delete this. Pulls. Dot size. Oh, hold on. On size. Okay. So this is the size of the... Was I not live on Twitch the entire time? What? No, I was. Also, playing balloons? Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. I should... Oh my god, hold on. Hold on, I have an idea. We've got a little bit of time left. Balloons. Pop. Nah, that's not good. Balloons, tower defense. We ain't seen shit. I know. Tower defense. 6. Popping sound effect. There we go. Hey, Gallic. Okay, so we're going to loop this, and we're going to set the speed. What the fuck? We're gonna set it to 2 times speed. We'll just have that in the background to drive him crazy. There we go. Okay, now we can use the underscore process function to define what the player will do. What I'm talking about is called every frame. Boba monkeys? Yes. Oh wait, I can do this multiple times. I can duplicate this a bunch of time. My RAM is gonna fucking hate me. Okay, let's turn this one turn it down a little bit. It's actually kind of hurting my head. Do we have the Osgood horse game pop up every same time? Yeah, we do. There we go. I'm sure this is not at all painful to listen to. It is kind of on beat. Not exactly, but... Okay, so the underscore process is called every frame. So we use this to update elements of our game, which we have to change often. Movement. Okay, so process can be used for like movements, animation, direction. Is it pressing a key? For this game, you have 4 direction inputs. Okay. Okay, so we'll add a underscore row this close brackets. Okay, so this basically a function method runs every frame. Every game engine has something like this. Yeah. No, it's the thing that the entirety of all of Yandere Dev's game or Yandere Simulator is built in. It's a single process loop, or tick loop, or whatever you want to call it. I forget which engine he uses. Check for input, pressing green. Okay. Input directions are defined a project system under input map. Here, you can define custom events and assign keys, mouse events, and other inputs to them. For this game, map arrow keys to 4 directions. Click on project settings. Settings. UI rendering. Input devices. No. Okay, so I need to do project settings. Inputs. Okay. So let's call this one move underscore right. We'll add that. We'll do move underscore left. Move. Capitalize. Move up and move down. Okay, so let's understand that now. Pause icon, yeah, or enter. Okay, so this gives us, okay. So right will be keyboard keys, input, up, physical keyboard, QWERTY, yes. Move right. Oh, am I doing move right? I need to do right. Right. There we go. Right physical. Shift. Physical keyboards. Yeah. Okay. Keyboard. Press the right key on your keyboard. Oh, I see. So you can do this. Oh. Right physical, right uncoded. Let me do D. So I'll do WASD rather than directional keyboards. Oh, I can do both. Right. There we go. I can do both. Left will be A. No, A. And left. I like that actually. Up W. No, W. And up. And down the S. Slash down. Okay, cool. So I can use both of them. Sweet. Okay, I understand how that works now. The listen for input field automatically selected the key of the keyboard. Okay. Okay. Right. Move right action. Right. Okay, so process. Yeah. You can close the project settings. You only map to one key for each input, but you can map multiple keys. Yeah, that's right. I already did that. I can do the other keys pressing the input. Input dot is action pressed, which returns true or false if it isn't. input. What the fuck did you put the balloons pop? To fuck with you, because you were saying you were playing balloons. Input dot is underscore action underscore pressed close brackets. Okay, so function ready, or functional process function, so function space process. That one tab that pulls from the one directly above it. Variable. You've already got the function process function below? Oh, I do. Oh, sweet. I don't need this then. So let me remove pass here, and I can do variable velocity is equal to no, vector 2 dot 0, no, 0. So what does this do? Constants. Class of vector 2. Vector 2 is a floating point coordinates. Okay. The two element structures that can be used to present 2D coordinates values. Okay, so it's just an XY vector. Okay. CVI integer counterparts. Uses the float point coordinates. By default, the float points are 32-bit precision, unlike floats, which uses a 64-bit. If double precision is needed to compile, the engine precision equals doubled. Okay. Error at 1 through 9, or 9-1, unexpected inputs. And the function body. Okay, well, I don't have to worry about that. I'll remove that in a minute. I just wanted to put that in there. Oh, I see. If input, okay, I understand now. So I can take that off. So that's, I'll put the text of movement vector. Wait, no. If yes, input dot is underscore action underscore rest quotation move underscore right close core colon velocity is dot x plus equal to 1. Okay, so that means, oh, well, I didn't spell velocity correctly. T. Okay, so that basically, in parentheses, try pressing control spacebar, it should bring the automatic, oh, okay, so, oh, control spacebar. Okay, let me try that again. I'm gonna do if the spacebar, no. Tab, no. Velocity is equal to, no. No, I did that wrong. if yes, input dot is push the wrong button. Dot is action underscore pressed close parentheses. I think it should be input, not input, not inputs. Inputs. Oh, you're right. I'm spelling it incorrectly. Inputs. Inputs. There we go. Input dot is action pressed. Okay, I see. That's why I wasn't doing it right. Gotcha. Sweet. Inputs. That's that one. Dot is action pressed. We'll do left. Okay. And we'll finish it off. And velocity is dot x. X. No. Is less equal or equals plus equals 1 or minus 1. No. So minus equals 1. Okay. Sorry for vexing game devs so much. No. I'm not. This is not like a game where it's like the experience is what ruins it. It's like this is just helpful information that I don't know about. Okay, so yeah, so x and then y. Y will be the up one. So if and that input, no, not input events. Input is action pressed. We'll do up. No. Yeah, no. Close. Velocity dot y is plus equals 1. I probably don't need this many, yeah, there we go. So if, no, too many. If input, dot is action pressed, move down, close velocity dot y minus plus or minus equals 1. Okay, so I get that. So variable velocity says that the velocity is equal to the vector of 0, so that's the movement vector. If the input is pressed moving up or whatever one, it changes the velocity by adding it plus 1. So you constantly just add the plus 1 to whatever it is, and then it just does the corresponding one for that sort of stuff. Okay, so I get that. So that's actually understandable, and I assume that carries over into like 3D as well, where you say, if you save, you should be able to play the character scene and move your character right now. Game. Press play. F6. F6. Okay, also, yeah, control. We'll save that. It's F6. Okay, I didn't do something correctly, but that's fine. I'll go to scripts. Oh, that's what it is. I'm still missing some of the stuff. So we'll do, if velocity dot length velocity, yeah, dot length error at 24 y. If velocity dot length is greater or less than zero colon velocity. Oh, I see the problem. You need to the action pressed instead of action just pressed. Oh, action pressed. I see. Okay. I see. If it started press, okay. Pressed. Yeah, that makes sense. Just one singular, one is singular, the other one is continuous. Yes. So we'll actually try this real quickly. Oh. If unlocked, yeah, okay. If velocity length is less than 0, velocity is equal to velocity normalized. What does normalized mean? The normalized returns the result of the scaling vector unit length equivalent to vector over vector, or velocity over velocity length. Returns 0, 0 if vector length is length is equal to 0. Also normalized. Okay, I guess I can think of that one. Understand that? I think I can kind of understand that. Prime speed. Money animated sprites 2D dot only. Else money animated money animated. Why is it not? The if block is not an identified statement inside the if statement. That's why it gives an error. Here. If block. Unintended. Expected indented block after. Oh! So there we go. So that means that this. No. Expected statement, else found. Five. Expanded indent after if block. Parse error. Okay. Let me just delete this first. So let me go. This one. Else. That's. And anime. So why is this giving me an error? Unexpected statements. If an else. Needs to be something inside. Or the pass keyword. Pass keyword. Oh, else pass. Okay. Else. There was pass. I think that's what it was. No. Underscore. Okay, so else on underscore pass. 2 underscores. Need to be identified. Identified. So how do I identify? Do I go up here? Identification? The underscore is me trying to write the on Twitch chats. Oh, I see. Else pass. So pass that I need an animated sprite. Dot stop. Okay, so there's an unexpected else. What is this? You can remove pass from else here. Indents equals it means the tab space. Okay, so tab. You can remove the pass from the else here. I had it working a second ago. There we go. Watch it moving. Can we try it? Nope, it's not giving. It's giving that. Let me just delete this for a second, and let's try it. Let's see what it does. Okay, no, it's not gonna work. Okay. Alright, let me back up a little bit, and then... Nope. Let me save real quickly. Resource, parse error, exceptions, else found instead. Yeah. The anime is right above, the above the else is not identified. Oh, is it not? Oh, wait, hold on. Where did it go? It was an if statement. Oh wait, no, it's right here. There we go. Okay. So now that works, because we can go like that, and that goes like that, and that's not working. It intends. Oh, okay, yeah, no, it doesn't need an indents. There we go. so now we can test it like this. Oh shit. Vector nil operator that function. Wait, what? Okay. I remember the past. Oh, okay, that's right, else there, and so then like so. Okay. So now we press F6 and we do debugger. Stacked frames, functions. Null, speed null. Invalid operations vector 2 and nil in operation. Oh, the void. Function data float void. We shouldn't have the void here. Right? I don't think we should have... What does void do? Which means it returns to nothing? Oh, okay. That doesn't mean anything then. Let's see. Action is action pressed. Less than greater than less than 0. Greater than 0. The function receives input and gives outputs. Okay, so the function receives and gives outputs. That means that it's going to be giving an output of the velocities, positive or negative ones. If the velocity length is greater than 0, the velocity is going to be normalized between the... So this works basically by just like slowing you down. Because if it's greater than 0, it normalizes the velocity to 0, basically. And plays the animation... Oh, it plays animation... please play walk, and we'll do rotation up. Close brackets. Okay. So now let's try this. Oh, nope. Stop base, animation spread into and expected 0 arguments. Oh, okay, I see. So we expected nothing. So let me remove that. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Play the animated sprite, stop the animated sprite. Okay, I see. Okay. So then why is it not working now? So when I do something, it's vector and nil in operator. Starts velocity by default, moving and then checking each input, add / subtract the velocity to a total direction. For example, if you hold right and down at the same time, the ultimate velocity should be equal to 1, 1. In this case, can't see the error. Which line is it on? It says invalid operations vector 2 and null in operation pound sign, not pound sign, star. Adding a horizontal vertical movements place should move faster diagonally than if they were moved horizontally. We can prevent that by normalizing the velocity, which means set like 0, then multiplying the derived speed, so that means no faster diagonal movements. Okay. That's what the normalizing is for. Got it. Using vector math before, and you need to refresh your equation. Vector math, yeah, whatever. I understand how vector math works. Okay. Turning that off. Pound is shorthand for get node. Okay, so that's get node. Let's get node that. Conference, yeah. You know, it's taking from the player or stop Animation called play. Oh, animation sprite is play. So this is defining what play is. The little dot. Name. String name, custom speed, float, bool, false, void. Plays the animation with the key name. If custom speed is a negative, the form. Okay. Let's go ahead and save this again. Okay, so we got animation. So it's detecting inputs, which is good. So if we're detecting inputs as the let me take this off. There we go. So now it's going to be, okay, so it's detecting inputs, which is good. So that's working. So the velocity just is not working. Oh, I see what it is. U. 1. That's, yes. Okay. So that's not doing anything. Let me close it and then restart it again. Maybe that'll do something. No, okay. Well, I think this is a good place to start or stop. If the player node in inspector, what's the speed value? Because it uses that. It uses the player inspector speed of 400. That's what it is. It also might be that it's, since it's not actually detecting any background or anything like that. It's technically moving, but it's not. Well, actually, that wouldn't work though. Well, either way. We'll finish this. We'll do more of this because this is actually kind of fun, and we'll do more of this later. Add a tree? No, not right now. Kind of want to keep doing this tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Either way, Gallic, if you want to set up a raid for somebody, whoever you feel like being raided for, I will go ahead and find somebody to raid on Twitch. On YouTube, I mean, sorry. Okay, I also need to make sure there we go. Okay, alright, turn it off. Okay. Short stream? Yeah, I usually do about an hour and a half streams. I try to do longer streams on the weekends when I don't have to work, but I gotta wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, so okay, so I had a dizzy. Oh, that's a scheduled one. Never mind. Go say hi to Boomy. So, yeah, I usually do short streams. I thankfully have been able to do longer streams, like really long streams, the last few days, but it's unfortunately going to have to go back to our normal hour and a half long streams for the next several days until Friday, in which case then I'll be able to do another 4+ hour long stream. So there doesn't seem to be anyone that you follow streaming. God damn it. Okay, well, Shrimply Shushi. Sure. Alright, that works. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. We will, I don't know if we're gonna, we might play a game, we might do more of this. We'll see how it goes. So, alright. Bye-bye.